Hey guys, welcome back. Tin Man here. Today I've got this should be the final lock. Excuse me. Out of the package from West Coast Picks. As you can see, it is an Abus 8345. It's got the C6A300 keyway. Awesome little lock. But this one was pinned by West Coast Picks. He calls it Tedious One. And I don't think there's probably been a lock with a better name than this one. I got this package from West Coast, I don't know, it's been a little over a month ago, I guess. I have picked this lock one time. My battery went dead while I was picking it. Actually, I think it was during the gutting. And I have not been able to pick this thing on camera, off camera. I haven't been able to pick this thing, period, since. So, I had some free time today. And I don't like locks laying in the naughty bucket for very long. So we're going to give this a shot again. Got a full battery, good memory card. There's no reason I shouldn't get this thing on camera other than lack of skill. We use 50 thousandths top of the keyway, and I'm going to use my DeForest Diamond 15 thousandths out of my Praxis kit. So let's get zoomed in a little bit here. Keep everything in frame. And let's see if I can get this thing picked and on camera and finally find out what is in here that has kept me out for so long. I had a little click out of 2, little click out of 3. I'm using extremely light tension. There's another click out of 3. Nope, 2. Because I found out. Click out of 4. Another click out of 4. I found out that using heavy tension and trying to bully this lock doesn't work. Does not work at all. There was a click out of 1. Another click out of 1. Got 2 binding, I believe. Yep. I just want to get this thing picked again. I can't believe that I picked it that one time and haven't been able to since. It has kicked my butt every time since. I think I got something overset. Let's try this again. Another click out of 2. Got a little turn on the core there, just real slight. I don't know if you could even see it through the camera. Another click out of 4 or 5. Another click out of it. There was a click out of 6. Click out of 1. Click out of 5 again. I can still have a little bit of a false set, but I'm not getting any feedback now. Nobody's talking to me. I may have overset something just a little bit. There's a click out of 3. Click and a slight turn on 5. One is binding. I don't think it's ready yet. Let's go back to 5. There's a click out of 1 again. Seven minutes. It's not looking good for me, guys. Getting my pick stuck. Dropped something. I heard it. Still got a little bit of a false set though. That was all out of 2. There's 1 again. Deeper false set. Even deeper off of 1. This is usually about as far as I can get, other than the one time that I was able to pick it. I think I'm getting a little feedback on 6. I think I got him. Oh, damn, there it is. Dropped my tension wrench, I got so excited. Hell yeah, man. 8 minutes, almost 9 minutes on this. I'm telling you guys, this thing has been kicking my butt for over a month. Finally got it. Finally got it. Alright. Let's see if I can get this thing gutted in a timely fashion so that this video doesn't go much longer than it needs to. Let's take a look at the key. Maybe. I'll re-mummy this before I send it out to the next one. There is the bitting on the key. That explains some of why it was so difficult for me. Let's see, should be a Phillips. Man, West Coast, I'm telling you, buddy, you outdid yourself on this one. For sure. This thing, like I said, has been just kicking my butt. Man, that thing is tight fit. You know what? Let's just lock it back up and take it out that way. Maybe. Maybe not. What's the hold up here? There we go. It's just tight fit. Alright. Really tight fit. Damn. So much for this video not being too long. There we go. Alright. C-clip. Get this in frame. Sorry, guys. Alright. Key. Let's get a shim. Just because I know West Coast locks, and there's a very good chance that there is multiple T-pins in here. Follower. Alright, I need to push this guy in. Alright. You can see all 6 are in and working. Better hold on to that, I'm going to need that. And here we go. 1 standard, 2 serrated, 3 spool, 4 standard, 5 serrated, 6 standard. Let's see. Chamber 2 is threaded, and 4 and 6 have some undercutting, if you can see that through the lens. So threading on 2, 4 and 6 are undercut. Now, let's see what he did with all the magic up here. One is a pin-in-pin. Came out like that. T-pinned. Let's see if we can get the spring out. That's not what I'm looking for. That is. Little steel spring. 2. Came out like that. It is serrated with little copper or brass spring. I can never tell them apart. 3 is standard. I don't even see the spring. Yeah, it's in there. See if we can get it out. There it is. A little short steel spring. Oh, cut in half, I believe. We'll go back from this side now. 6 is probably one of the longest Christmas tree pins I've ever seen. 5, oh, jumped out of there on me. He came out like that, serrated. Looks like a steel spring. And last but not least, whoops, he jumped out on me, but I believe he came out like that. A spool. And let's see, changes. I don't believe there's any changes, because you should be able to, you would see them right through the bottom there. No changes to the core. Alright guys, take a little closer look here. Sorry this video's ran longer than I wanted it to, but I'm just happy I finally got this thing on camera. Alright, key pins. 1 standard, 2 is serrated, 3 is a spool, 4 is standard, 5 serrated, 6 standard. Drivers. 1 is a serrated pin and pin T-pin, 2 serrated, 3 standard, 4 is a spool, 5 is serrated, and 6 is this real long Christmas tree with the sharp edge right at the bottom. I think that was one of the ones that was really holding me up, was that real sharp edge right there on the bottom of it. So, that's what we have here in West Coast Picks. Tedious one. Great lock, West Coast. Glad that I was finally able to get it picked and get it on camera this time. I appreciate it. The key will be re-mummied before I send it out to the next lucky person. Thanks for the locks again, man. Everybody else, thanks for watching. Keep it legal, keep it fun, and I'll catch you guys next time. Thank you.